A lot of people think new means better. Park a brand new 2026 pickup next to a GMT800. The modern truck feels like a disposable plastic toy. Today, we cover 7 features that make your Silverado superior. These details beat anything rolling off the assembly line today. I am Jim, and welcome to Garage of Time. Hit that like button if you love your classic Chevy. Let us talk about what makes a real truck. Feature number 1 is the engine bay real estate. In a modern truck, changing a sensor requires removing the cab. In your GMT800, you can practically stand inside the engine bay. It was built for real mechanics. Feature number 2 is the absence of cylinder deactivation. Modern trucks use active fuel management to save gas.
Shutting down cylinders destroys lifters and ruins camshafts. Your 5.3-liter is a pure, simple V8 engine.
All 8 cylinders fire cleanly all the time. It goes 400,000 miles because it is heavy iron. It is not a delicate science experiment. It is a workhorse built for endurance. Feature number 3 is the hydroformed frame. Modern trucks cut weight using thin materials for fuel economy. General Motors used a fully hydroformed steel frame. This frame absorbs harsh punishment without bending or twisting. Feature number 4 is tactile interior ergonomics. Manufacturers today are obsessed with massive dashboard touchscreens. You have to look away from the road to turn on the heat. That is completely unnecessary. In the GMT800, you have physical buttons and analog gauges. Your hands know exactly where they are. Feature number 5 is pure parts interchangeability. Try finding a specialized computer module for a 26 truck. You will wait 3 months for it to arrive. The GMT800 shares parts across millions of vehicles. You can buy what you need immediately at any auto parts store. That is engineering for the real world. Feature number 6 is the 4-speed transmission. There is no hunting for gears or 10-speed confusion. When you step on the gas, it downshifts and pulls strongly. It is predictable, strong, and it just works perfectly. Feature number 7 is the fact that you actually own it. Modern trucks are software subscriptions on wheels. They track you, and the dealer can lock you out remotely. Your GMT800 is entirely yours. It has no digital leash. It is pure mechanical freedom built to last a lifetime. These trucks are a statement of true over-engineering. Real-world use is always better than under-engineering for marketing. What is the one feature on your GMT800 you will never give up? Comment below, because I read every single one. Hit subscribe, and thanks for joining me at Garage of Time.